While the parliamentary proceedings are going on at the moment, let me bring you another crucial headline related to it. The centre is all set to bring a new rural employment bill in the parliament, proposing a major overhaul of the existing Manrega framework. The proposed legislation, titled Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen, seeks to replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005. On paper, the bill increases guaranteed work days from 100 to 125. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has hit back at the centre over the proposed amendment, saying that the BJP-led union government is sabotaging and destroying Mahatma Gandhi's 100 days employment guarantee scheme. Sharing a post on his official handle, he lashed out, saying that out of spite toward the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, they have removed his name and imposed a northern language name that is difficult to pronounce. He added that the state of Tamil Nadu is being punished because it has effectively eradicated poverty. In a stark warning, he urged the centre to abandon the scheme immediately to avoid what he was saying facing the wrath of the people. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor also questioned the move to rename the scheme, terming it very unnecessary. He said Mahatma Gandhi had envisioned complete Ram Rajya and Gram Swaraj, which were intertwined in his vision itself.
It's unfortunate because Mahatma Gandhi ji had a very, very clear vision of both the rural poor whom he cared for. He talked about wiping the tear from the poorest person's eye. That whole Ram Rajya and Gram Swaraj were intertwined in Mahatma Gandhi ji's mind. So it was a very good choice of name to begin with, and everyone knows the scheme for the last 20 years as in various Indian languages as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Scheme. So why change it now? You can change the terms of the scheme, debate it in Parliament, that's the government's prerogative. But changing the name is unnecessary.
Now, under the new law, states barring the Northeast, Himalayan states and selected union territories will have to bear 40% of total expenditure, unlike Manrega, where the centre paid the full wage cost. The bill also gives the centre greater control, allowing it to fix state-wise allocations and even decide which rural areas the scheme will apply to, removing flexibility based on the local demand. The government says Manrega needs replacement due to socio-economic transformation in rural India, citing better infrastructure, digital access and changing aspirations. The bill is also expected to spark intense political and policy debate inside and outside of the parliament too. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor also questioned the move to rename the scheme, as you already heard that he called it very unnecessary and calling the controversy unfortunate. He said Mahatma Gandhi had envisioned complete Ram Rajya and Gram Swaraj, which were intertwined in his vision, hence the renaming was very unnecessary. We heard him, what he has to say, and these are some of the details. We've got some more political reactions also coming in on the same. Let's take a look.
बदलने की संस्कृति भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बहुत पुरानी है। अभी जब मैं आपसे मिल रहा हूं, उससे पहले मैं एक बिल्डिंग देखता हुआ आ रहा हूं, करीब वाली नहीं, थोड़ा दूर, जहां पर प्रधानमंत्री लोगों का म्यूजियम बना है। दुनिया में ऐसा कहीं नहीं होता होगा कि दीवार के आगे दीवार, गेट के आगे गेट बना दे कोई। और हम लोगों ने तो यहां तक देखा है कि भगवान के आगे अपने नेताओं के नाम लिख रहे हैं। आप तो कहते हैं कि आपका बजट न जाने कहां पहुंच गया, पर कैपिटा इनकम बहुत है, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत आ रहा है, तो आप दिन क्यों नहीं बढ़ाते हैं? आप कम से कम 200 दिन करिए। खुशी तो तब होती जब आप 200 दिन से ऊपर ले जाते रोजगार और काम देते लोगों को। तो उसके नियम ऐसे हों, अगर नया नाम दे रहे हैं आप, दूसरे का काम अपना काम बना रहे हैं, तो आपको नियम भी ऐसे बदलने चाहिए जिससे सहूलियत हो, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को थोड़ा आजादी हो उसमें बजट को इस्तेमाल करने में। नहीं, इतनी पाबंदियां लगा देंगे आप कि आप बजट ही नहीं खर्च कर पाएंगे।